Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to enable or disable mouse pointer acceleration for precision control in Linux Mint. This instantly toggles how your cursor responds to physical movement, letting you disable acceleration for pixel-perfect accuracy in gaming and editing, or enable it for fast desktop navigation. Open your system menu by clicking the Linux Mint logo in the bottom left corner of your taskbar. Type mouse into the search bar and click the mouse and touchpad icon from the results to launch your input control panel. When the configuration window pops up, ensure you are on the default mouse tab and locate the pointer size and speed section. Locate the drop-down menu field explicitly labeled acceleration. Click that drop-down menu to reveal your precision control tracking options. Select constant from the drop-down list to completely disable mouse acceleration for raw, predictable, one-to-one tracking across your monitor space. Alternatively, select adaptive to enable tracking acceleration that moves your cursor faster when you flick your wrist, or choose device default to reset it. The system core applies your hardware tracking profile adjustments globally in real time the exact millisecond you click your choice. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.